seems to be following me. Anyways, we're talking here because we want to see if the microphone is actually recording anything that we say on the footage while it's following me. And this is what you want to work if you're someone that's going to use the Dji Neo for doing your vlogging and walking around and having it film you, and you want to get your voice on your footage. So this is a test to see if it actually is recording my voice in the footage. We'll walk around here for a bit. Okay, we got to keep talking. I don't know what we could talk about, but we're going to keep talking. Anyway, she's keeping an eye on me, but yeah, that was an issue I had with the voice control. It was like a hit and miss as far as getting it to record your voice on here. So hopefully this couple of firmwares that we received is actually fixed some of those issues, and everything that we've just said will be in our footage. That would be cool. But as everyone knows, you know, DJI, whenever these drones come out, there's always firmware, you know, to fix any little issues that you might be having. A lot of people are downgrading the DJI Neo, but I think that DJI has done a great job with the Neo. It's a fun little drone to fly, and with multiple features and several ways to fly it. It's definitely, in my eyes, it's drone of the year. It's definitely drone of the year. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's see if it actually recorded. Okay, she had no problem landing. She had no problem landing. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go to album and we're gonna check out this video that we just done. Let's see if it actually plays. So far I don't hear any sound. Okay, it seems to be following me. I don't know if that's direction follow or just plain follow. Anyways, we're talking here because we want to see. Hey guys, that issue seems to be fixed. That is super good. Thank you, DJI. Anyways, guys, that's just a few little tests that we wanted to try today and share with you. I appreciate the watch, and we'll catch you in the next Neo. Bye for now.